Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm trying to post videos for now every Friday. I know I messed up last week and I forgot to post it, but anyway, guys, alrighty. My goodness, I feel out of breath already. Today is actually Wednesday. And I'm filming this video, and yeah, so I'm gonna be filming this video. I kind of made a mistake. Oh wait, hold on, rewind. I am using my new Aura, I think, cloud. Anyways, the A5 wire cloud. And yeah, so I actually made a mistake and I used a beautiful kit from Brianna, and I'll put the name of the seller down below for May the 4th be with you. So I'm gonna use it for the next week, and also for Mother's Day I have to use the other kit. But that's okay, that's alright. You know, I do what I do. So, anyways. So yeah, so it's a beautiful spring kit. I went to go flip it for the next week and then, yeah, I flipped it back somehow. My brain is just all over the place. But yeah, this is my new cloud. It's kind of like the, well, definitely like the white one. I love it, and it has the same emblem. This is the black noir. I think this is the noir with the silver hardware. 35, or yeah, I think that's 35. Anyways, this is also a new to me shop. I'll put the seller down below as well. And I gotta clean up my desk better so that I can try and film. These are my inserts for the cloud, and you know what, hold on. Yeah, you know what, I'm just gonna, so that's the inserts. I'm gonna do one page at a time so I don't go loca. If you guys don't know what that means, crazy. Alright, so I am going to be using this beautiful kit from Pretty Sheepy. Another new to me shop, and I forgot to tell whether or not if we have no school days on this day. But anyways, so we are using this beautiful kit, this cute kit, and so yes. Washi, glitter headers, date covers, functionals. This is a sticker, so this is optional. Half and quarter boxes and headers. And here is our deco boxes. Our checklist and more washi. So that is really cool. Alrighty guys, so there are a few things that I did not use in this video, so I will let you guys know ahead of time. The kit does not come with habit trackers, or maybe it does and I didn't see it. So I'm going to be using the Sticker Shop Co. samplers. I'm going to be using the color Gray Sampler and Ghost Sampler Ghost. I'm going to use those two habit trackers. I put a to-do header over those habit trackers, and I'm also using her water tracker as well. In this video, I'm also going to be using Savannah Paperco's YouTube scripts, her Clarence planning, her trash day on Clarence, her pizza icon, and also not pictured is her custom script therapy. She has some amazing custom scripts. I'm also going to be using Taco Night. I'm also going to be using, no, not Taco Night, excuse me. My apologies. I'm going to be using a icon from Happily Ever Plans, her taco stickers. Not pictured because I still was trying to figure out when we had our appointment. No school day for Thursday. And I'm also going to be using quarter boxes from Metalhead Planner is the other item that I will be using. I will be sharing some photos of how the spread turned out after little add-ons. So yeah. At this point, I'm trying to figure out everything. And yeah, so I figured that this video was mad long. So I don't even know if people still use that. But anyways, it was pretty long. And I'm like, okay, just do a voiceover. So I'm going to be just doing a random pattern using the glitter headers. I really love this kit. Again, this is a new to me shop. It has like a glossy texture to it, and if you hear that, that's me kind of like rubbing my finger on one of the stickers. And I was like, I didn't order glossy, but there's no really like option for glossy or matte. So I double checked. I was like, okay. That's the other thing that I forgot to mention while I was filming. I do wish that it had a little bit more half and quarter boxes and habit trackers, but other than that, it's really, really cute. Again, it's a full kit. It does come with a sampler, stickers, and other stuff. So maybe the sampler has it. I'm not 100% sure, but I really enjoy this kit. It's really stinking cute. And what else can I say? Oh goodness gracious, I'm really sorry that I'm out of frame. And yeah, I do rip a lot of my my planner. I forgot where I got these inserts, but like I said, this is new to me. I'm still trying to learn how to plan without the lines, like for the Happy Planner or any other planner that I've used before. Before I kind of was like, okay, I don't want these lines, and I would kind of block them out, but then I realized, okay, so those tweezers, those tweezers are from Sassy Planner Co. Those are the those aren't the bent, yeah, those are the bent tweezers. Really love them. I believe those were the apple, and it has my Eileen the Little Crafter name on it. So yeah, again, I will link everything down below. This was a really fun kit. I love the fact that I can really expand with it. I forgot to say that I'm going to be using also rose colored date dots for this, and I take a very long time putting down my bottom washi, and as you can see, I ripped it, and yes, believe it or not, it did stick after. I'm surprised after all that paper I pulled up. But yeah, no, I like this this whatchamacallit. I may branch out again in different inserts. I have been looking into maybe, well, actually I did get it. What was that? Was that called Gatefold or something like that? I forgot the name of it, but I'll share with you guys what I got in the next insert. What I meant to say for the next inserts. It does come with a monthly and the weekly, so I may just because I got monthly and then I got a weekly thing. So what I'm seriously thinking about doing is for not May, but for the next month, I will switch on over and just mark it out. So since it's undated. Oh, I forgot to say that I'm also using Savannah Paper Co.'s book bags. Yeah, so as you guys know, my son decided that he really wanted to go back to school, and yeah, sorry about the mess. I have to clean up my little area that I'm using, that little box that I have there. I have to clean it up and put those things away because it's filled with kind of like everything
from crafting, nail stuff to planner stuff. So yeah, it's a little bit of a, well, no, it is a hot mess. So now I'm just adding in those datas because at this point I'm still trying to remember what week I'm planning for. That's one. And two, trying to figure out what day I have that appointment on. I knew I had an appointment this week. So yeah, I guess the next day was probably the best. So yeah, as you can see, I'm still a hot mess when I'm planning. Everything goes all over the place. And yeah, everything was, I really enjoyed this planner. It's pretty, I don't want to say simplistic, but it does have a good variety of everything. So it's very functional and actually, I'm going to say pretty functional. I wouldn't take away from it because, you know, some people don't need habit trackers, but I really enjoyed it. So I kind of just did like boxes for now, and then I did flags on a couple of them, and yeah, to mix them up. And then the rest I will be using for the beginning of May in my journal, daily journaling pages, except for maybe Mother's Day, and then kind of switch it off between Mother's Day and the rest of it, depending on how much I have left over. And the rest of my like May kits that I have that you guys seen in my previous hauls. So yeah, I'm super duper excited. Yes, believe it or not, even though I haven't been posting anything that much, I'm still working on my journaling pages. I'm right now currently a little behind, but you know, it is what it is. OBKB guys, so here we are at the home stretch. I added all of the stickers, like I said, quarter boxes, half boxes, and all that good stuff, and the icons. I added a couple of other things off camera that I will be sharing with you guys on this video. So I'm going to take some photos so that you guys can see the completed spread. Again, this is Pretty Sheepy, and the name of the kit is called Bounty Hunter. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. To my oldie but goodie subscribers, thank you so much for hanging in there with me. I know that I have been MIA. Thank you so much for all your support and love. And thank you for watching, and bye for now. Future Eileen here. So I was selected to be part of the Samuelin Planning design team. So if you use Eileen15 in her shop, you get 15% off. And also those are the stickers from Sticker Planner Co. that I said that I will show you guys later on. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.